What's up, everybody? This is Joe here from Mainline Overland. This customer's gray Sprinter van was back in our PA shop today getting Backwoods' new Scout Sprinter front bumper. So let's run through some of the features up front here. So it has integrated recovery points here on both sides. It has a integrated hitch receiver here, which is a super nice feature on these big Sprinter vans. It has sensor relocations here as well as a sensor relocation here. Backwoods has a nice molded plastic with their logo in it, so it really adds a nice, clean, professional look to the bumper. This is winch compatible, so we have enough room to get a winch in here. This customer decided to not go with a winch for now. I just wanted to keep a lightweight setup up front. But the thing I really like about this bumper is there's really easy access into where the winch is to access the free spool lever. And you can kind of keep an eye on how your winch line is kind of coiling up there. This bumper also has light mounts kind of pre-drilled. We went with Backwoods Pathfinder lights here, super nice light setup, but this will also work with a bunch of other aftermarket light manufacturers. One last thing to note, this bumper does come with a hoop and no hoop option. This customer decided to go with the no hoop version. It's a little bit cleaner look, but the hoop comes up and adds some extra grille protection. Another nice thing about all these openings is you're getting tons of airflow into the radiator, so you don't have to worry about blocking off the nice airflow with this bumper. So if you have any questions about Backwoods' new Scout Sprinter front bumper, go ahead and reach out to us at mainlineoverland.com, and one of our product experts will be happy to help you out.